हाय माय सुपर रीडर्स, आज हम CVC वर्ड्स फॉर्म करना शुरू करेंगे। यानी अभी तक हमने सारे 26 लेटर्स के साउंड सीखे हैं। अब उन लेटर्स के साउंड्स को हम ब्लेंड करना स्टार्ट करेंगे और जब हम उन लेटर्स के साउंड को साथ में बोलेंगे तो हम वर्ड फॉर्म करेंगे। ठीक है, सबसे पहले मैं आपको सारे साउंड्स रिवाइज करवाऊंगी और उसके बाद हम वर्ड्स फॉर्म करना स्टार्ट करेंगे। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। ए B B C K D D E E F F G G H I E J J K K L L M N O O P P Q Q R S T T U V W X Y Z ओके, वंडरफुल। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। अब हम सारे लेटर के साउंड्स बोलेंगे। मैं आपको 3 लेटर का एक वर्ड दिखाऊंगी जिसमें हमें एक एक लेटर का साउंड बोलना है और उन लेटर्स को हमें ब्लेंड करके वर्ड फॉर्म करना है। ओके, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। Cat. Say with me. Cat. Now blend it. Cat. Wonderful. Let's read another word. At. Say with me. At. Now blend it. Rat. It's rat. At. Say with me. At. Now blend it. Hat. Let's read another word. At. Say with me. At. Now we'll say all the sounds together. At. Bat. Wonderful. Let's read more words. An. Say with me. An. It's pan. Let's read more word. An. Say with me. An. Now blend it. Man. Wonderful. Let's read more words. Dad. Say with me. Dad. Dad. Wonderful. Sad. 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 Wonderful. Let's read more words. Ham. Ham. Wonderful. Am. Say with me. Am. Ram. Wonderful. Ab. Say with me. Ab. It's cab. Wonderful. Ab. Say with me. Ab. Lab. Wonderful. Let's read more words. Now the vowel will be E. D, E, N. Say with me. D, E, N. Now blend it. D, N, den. Let's read second word. H, N. Say with me. H, N. It's hen. Let's read more words. N. Say with me. E, N. Now blend it. Men. Wonderful. Let's read second word. P, E, N. Say with me. P, E, N. Now blend it. P, E, N. Pen. Wonderful. B, E, D. Say with me. B, E, D. Now blend it. B, E, D. Bed. Wonderful. Let's read another word. W, E, B. Say with me. W, E, B. Now blend it. W, E, B. Web. Wonderful. Let's read more words. P, E, T. Say with me. P, E, T. Pet. Wonderful. Let's read another word. W, E, T. Say with me. W, E, T. Now blend it. Wet. Wonderful. Let's read more words. B, e, t. Say with me. B, e, t. Now blend it. Bet. Wonderful. G, e, t. Say with me. G, e, t. Get. Wonderful. Let's read more words. J, e, t. Say with me. J, e, t. Jet. Wonderful. Let's read second word. V, e, t. Say with me. V, e, t. Now blend it. Wet. It's wet. Wonderful. Now we'll read the word with vowel I. I says I. B, I, t. Say with me. B, I, t. Now blend it. B, I, t. Bit. Wonderful. Let's read second word. H, I, t. Say with me. H, I, t. Now blend it. Hit. Wonderful. Let's read another word. P, I, n. Say with me. P, I, n. Now blend it. It's pen. Wonderful. Let's read second word. W, I, n. Say with me. W, I, n. Now blend it. Win. Wonderful. Let's read another word. B, I, n. Say with me. B, I, n. Now blend it. Bin. Wonderful. Let's read second word. F, in. Say with me. F, in. Now blend it. Fin. Wonderful. Let's read more words. K, I, d. Say with me. K, I, d. Now blend it. K, I, d. Kid. Wonderful. Let's read second word. L, I, d. Say with me. L, I, d. Now blend it. L, I, d. Lid. Wonderful. Let's read more words. B, I, g. Say with me. B, I, g. Now blend it. B, I, g. Big. Wonderful. Let's read second word. D, I, g. Say with me. D, I, g. Now blend it. Dig. It's dig. Wonderful. Let's read more words. P, I, g. Say with me. P, I, g. Now blend it. P, I, g. Pig. Wonderful. Let's read second word. D, I, p. Say with me. D, I, p. Now blend it. D, I, p. Dip. Wonderful. Let's read more words. I, p. Say with me. I, p. Now blend it. Rip. It's rip. Wonderful. Let's read second word. S, I, p. Say with me. S, I, p. Now blend it. Sip. It's sip. Wonderful. Now we'll read more words with the vowel sound aw. Let's read words with vowel aw. P, aw, p. Say with me. P, aw, p. Now blend it. Pop. It's pop. Wonderful. Let's read second word. T, aw, p. Say with me. T, aw, p. Now blend it. T, aw, p. Top. Wonderful. Let's read more words. P, aw, d. Say with me. P, aw, d. Pod. Wonderful. Let's read second word. Odd. Say with me. Odd. Rod. Wonderful. Let's read more words. G. Say with me. G. Now blend it. Say all together. Log. Log. Wonderful. Say another word. Let's read another word. Jog. Say with me. j, og. Now blend it. J, og, jog. Wonderful. Let's read more words. D, og. Say with me. D, og. Now blend it. Dog. Wonderful. Let's read second word. H, og. Now say with me. H, og. Now blend it. H, og, hog. Wonderful. Let's read more words. D, ot. Say with me. D, ot. Now blend it. D, ot, dot. Wonderful. Let's read second word. K, ot. Say with me. K, ot. Now blend it. K, ot, got. Wonderful. Let's read more words. H, ot. Say with me. H, ot. Now blend it. H, ot, hot. Wonderful. Let's read second word. P, ot. Say with me. P, ot. Now blend it. Pot. Wonderful. Let's read more words. K, ob. Say with me. K, ob. Now blend it. K, ob, cob. Wonderful. Let's read second word. Ot. Say with me. Ot. Now blend it. Ot, rot. Wonderful. Now it's time to read the words with the vowel sound a. Let's get started. K, a, b. Say with me. K, a, b. Now blend it. K, a, b, cub. Wonderful. Let's read second word. T, a, b. Say with me. T, a, b. Now blend it. T, a, b, tub. Wonderful. Let's read more words. K, a, t. Say with me. K, a, t. Now blend it. K, a, t, cut. Wonderful. Let's read second word. H, a, t. Say with me. H, a, t. Now blend it. H, a, t, hut. Wonderful. Let's read more words. A, t. Say with me. A, t. Now blend it. Nut. It's nut. Wonderful. Let's read second word. Say with me. Now blend it. Run. It's run. Wonderful. Let's read more words. Say with me. Now blend it. None. It's none. Wonderful. Let's read second word. Say with me. Now blend it. Bun. It's bun. Wonderful. Let's read more words. Say with me. Now blend it. Sun. Wonderful. Let's read second word. Now say with me. Now blend it. Gum. Wonderful. Let's read more words. Say with me. Now blend it. Cup. Cup. Wonderful. Let's read another word. Now say with me. Now say it together. Pup. It's pup. Wonderful. Let's read more words. Say with me. Now blend it. Bug. It's bug. Wonderful. Let's read second word. Say with me. Now say all together. Pug. Wonderful. So with that, we have come to the end. We learned lot of CVC words covering all the vowel sounds. A, E, O, A. We'll meet you again with another video with new concept. Till then, Please keep learning, please keep practicing CVC words so that we can get ready for more such phonics tools. Till then, bye-bye, take care. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such practice videos on phonics. Thank you.